How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampy's Workshop. So I'm glad you joined us today. Quick little video today. It's a beautiful sunny day. I was taking some videos the other day with my little GoPro. Well, it's not really a GoPro. Who can afford a GoPro? It's one of those knockoff GoPros. Anyway, this little bracket, what I just show you. My little bracket here, I was trying to connect it to a bar or something. Actually, it was a hook on the bucket of my tractor. Anyway, that clamp broke. Oh my God. That was just about heartbreaking. Well, it wasn't really. But anyway, I decided I better see if I can fix that up here. And because that's only made out of plastic, well, there's not much chance of gluing it because it takes a lot of stress and strain and it would probably break. So what I did was I went and got my plumber strap. So I reached in here and I grabbed a piece of, and this, I think everybody knows what plumber strap is. It's just, I don't know, it's about 3/4 of an inch wide with holes. Plumbers use it for strapping up pipes. So I got a piece of that. I'm going to find a good piece here. I'm thinking what I'll do is I'll just get a piece of this and I'll cut it to the right length, so I can form a bottom part on that, and I'm thinking that's going to be better. The plumber strap is going to be better than the plastic because the plumber's strap is a little on the flexy side. So when you snug her up really good here on wherever you're clamping your the little GoPro, then the plumber strap will reform itself around whatever you're trying to strap to and not break like the plastic did. That's my plan. So anyway, I'm going to get a length of that and I'm going to cut it however long I think I need it, and we'll see what happens there. So here we are. I'm going to test this a little bit. So I have a piece of pipe in here. I don't know, that's pretty good size. So that'll slip on there. Tighten my thumb wheels on it. Not my thumb wheels, my thumb screws. And there we have it. Pretty solid. So just a quick little video today, just to show you how when you think you're down and out because you broke a particular piece of something. I don't know what it could be that you break, but when you're at the camp, kind of an hour or 2 hours away from town to go get repairs and parts and whatnot, you can just grab something in the shop and make a repair, make something that'll work. So that's what we did here today, and it's going to work. That's all I can say about that. Thanks for joining us. Quick little repair in Grampy's Workshop, and I hope you liked it. If you do like it, click the like button, share it, comment it, whatever you'd like to do, and you can even thumbs up me. I like when that happens. Okay, we'll talk to you.